Hello there everyone, I hope you're fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to convert your Facebook account to page. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on the Facebook app and you will see an interface like this. What we will need to do is we just need to click on this profile icon here. Now you can click on, okay, this is my page, so I'm sorry, I have to switch to my account. So this is my account, it's not a page.
Everest.
So I'm going to convert it to my page. So click on this hamburger menu here and now just simply click on settings, or you can also go through your profile icon and click on these three dots here. Alright, so as you can see, there's an option called turn on professional mode. It will make our account and convert it into page, but many people might not see this option because they have locked their profile. So as you can see, here's an option called lock profile, and if you aren't able to see the turn on professional mode option, you will need to simply unlock your profile. You will see an option here called unlock profile. Just simply click on it. I have my profile unlocked, so that's why it's appearing here, turn on professional mode. So just simply click on it and now just click on turn on professional mode. Alright, you need to set up your profile from here. You can add your bio, add your cover photo so that it looks more legit, like a page. Alright, I'm just going to add a bio here. You can write anything you want just to give an idea of what your page is about. So you will need to complete these settings from here. You can add a cover photo. Okay, I'm just going to simply add, okay, I will add just this here. I'm just adding for the sake of showing you how you can do it. Create new content. You can post anything from here. Alright, so just click on back, and as you can see, our account has been converted to our page. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.